Hello, this is Pamela and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video, I just want to update you on my little fat cat and to show you another project, or I guess another kit that I received from Annie's for this month. I guess it'll be for the month of July, actually. And to show you my finished, I guess, January through June on my temperature blankets. I did one for Sherwood, Arkansas, and one for Bryant, Arkansas. So yeah, let's go ahead and just roll on this. I'll start with the temperature blankets. Let's take a look at that. Okay, aren't they just adorable? Now I'm excited. I get to start on July. And then let's see what else. Oh yeah, today is my first day of my second set of summer classes. I'm taking physical science and physical science lab and introductory to sociology. So those are my new classes I get to start today. After I get through editing this video, we have some little campers going. I don't want to say little, they're youth, but they're young to me, little to me. But anyway, they're going off to camp today for a week. So one of the little girls, she has grown up here, and then her mom got a job in Kansas, and so they moved from Arkansas to Kansas. So this little girl has been trying to learn to crochet, and her name is Kylie. So I'd like to give a huge shout out to Kylie, her mom, her sisters, and her brother Bo. So, hey guys, I love you. And anyway, here is a clip of Kylie. We had an event at our church yesterday, and here's a clip of her explaining to me the art of crochet. Okay, Miss Kylie, how did you learn to crochet?
Well, you do a loop knot, and then you stab it, you strangle it, you scoop baskets, and you throw it up clip.
Okay, all right. What can I say, guys? This is our young generation of crocheters. And I just think it's the most adorable thing in the entire world. I watch this over and over and over. She is so cute. But this is her description of crochet. So Kylie, I know you're going to watch this video. I just want to say I'm very proud of you for learning to crochet. And you're going to master the magic ring. And I'll leave a link in the description box or in the comment section. I'll have it pinned to the top of how to make a magic ring, sweetie. And you're going to master that. All right, guys. What I'm working on is this fat cat from Annie's. Oh, it's so adorable. I love this fat cat. And look at this. I had someone comment that they said it looked just like the picture. And it does. Look at that. I did try to keep the colors as close as possible. Sometimes I got my little specs out to make, to try and count the rows that they did. And it's so cute. And here's the tail, and I will finish the tail hopefully today. If not today, I'll finish it by tomorrow for sure. And I'll be able to show this to you guys in my Wednesday video. So let me go. Oh yeah, I was going to show you the hook I'm using on that one. I thought I lost my hook. I'm using a G 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. The yarn is, we call that Premier Anti-Peeling yarn. And this is a kit from, this is a kit from Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. And there are my yarns that I have left. Well, I don't say I have left because I'm still working on the tail. But let's see, I've already peeped in this, and oh my gosh, guys, I am so excited about this. So here's the package. It's Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. If you're not sure what that is a crochet and a knit club kit. So like there's the crochet version, and if you're a knitter, there's your knitted version. So they call it hook and needle. I just think it's cool. Oh my gosh, you're gonna love this. Look at that. I want to make this so bad. And when I finish the cat, this is going to be the next thing on my hook. It's the boho wall hanging. That's the crochet. Let's see what the knit version looks like. Ah, here we go. And I'd have to look at it up close to see what difference there is, but without my specs, I can't really tell in this dark lighting here in the living room. But that's the knit version. So guys, you're probably gonna wanna make this right here. And there's the dowel, and it comes with Premier Anti-Peeling Yarn. You get 2 of these. And let's see, I guess that's all that's in there. So you get the glossy pattern little book, 2 skeins of yarn, and you get a dowel. And you also get online access. If there's something you don't understand about the pattern, you can go watch the tutorial. Yeah, it's that easy. All right, guys, that's all that I have for you for today's video. It's just a cute little short video I wanted to put out for you guys and just kind of update you on what I'm doing. From here, I'm headed to the church. I'm going to check out my 3 classes that I've signed up for, do the little introductory required work that you have to do in the beginning, print out my assignments that I have for the week. And we have, like I said, we have some campers going off to camp this morning. So I'm gonna go up there and we're gonna pray over the students as they load up on the bus and head out to camp. Camp is only like 45 minutes away. But let's see, what else? I have my grandkids all day tomorrow. It's one reason why I wanted to do my video today. Originally wanted to do it Tuesday, but I'm gonna have the little Rugrats Tuesday, so I'm excited about that. I'm gonna hopefully plan some stuff for them, like library trips and things like that, and let them color and I don't know, different stuff, whatever they have at the library. Anyway, so I'm probably gonna do that. Well, I can just about bet I am. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to jump on here and just share a little update with you. And I knew you guys would be excited about this, the next project that's so cute. And I'm really excited about getting to show this little fat cat off. And I'm gonna get that tail done today. Yes, I am. All right, guys, that's all that I have for today's video. Just remember to keep crocheting, live life, and have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.